Watch free online computer lectures and courses. Today, there are millions of free online lectures available in almost any conceivable topic. Here are a few of our favorite locations containing free online lectures and courses that are focused around computers and computer-related topics. Computer Basics. GCFLearnFree.org includes free courses on computer basics, Windows, Mac, Office, and more. Basic to Advanced Computers. The New Boston, great collection of computer programming, computer science, and Adobe-related video tutorials. Class Central, great search engine for finding computer-related and other topic-related classes on the internet. Advanced Computer and Computer Science. Codecademy, a fantastic site that helps everyone for free learn to program in such languages as JavaScript, HTML, CSS, PHP, Python, and Ruby. Coursera, a collection of advanced computer and computer science courses from colleges around the world. Some of the topics covered include algorithms, artificial intelligence, machine learning, programming, and much more. Khan Academy, well known for its math-related lessons and now also includes science, math, economics, humanities, and test preparations. Online Courses, great site that lists hundreds of links to direct courses online for all the major universities and is one of the best places we've found for finding computer-related courses. MIT OpenCourseWare, the Massachusetts Institute of Technology list of hundreds of open free courses available online. Academic Earth, subjects include business, computer science, mathematics, engineering, science, humanities, social services, art and design, and test preparations.